Hello everyone and welcome. In this tutorial, I will show you how to connect Reddit to n8n step by step. You do not need to have any programming experience. Just follow along and I will guide you through everything. First, make sure you have an n8n instance up and running. You can use n8n.cloud or a self-hosted version. Log in to your n8n account. Next, we need to create a Reddit app to get the necessary credentials. Go to reddit.com and log into your account. After that, open a new tab and visit the following link, reddit.com/prefs/apps. Scroll down to the section labeled Developed Applications. Click on the button that says Create App or Create Another App. Give your app a name. It can be anything. For example, n8n integration. In the App Type section, choose Script. In the description field, you can leave it empty. In the About URL, you can type any placeholder link. In the Redirect URI, type exactly this. Now scroll down and click the Create App button. After the app is created, you will see a new section appear with your app's details. You will need the client ID and the client secret. The client ID is the small text shown just under the app name. The client secret is a longer string labeled as secret. Keep both of these somewhere safe. Now go back to your n8n instance. From the left panel, click on Credentials and then New Credential. Choose Reddit Oath 2 API from the list. A new window will open. Give your credential a name like Reddit API. For the client ID, paste the value from Reddit. Do the same for the client secret. Set the scope to whatever you need for your workflow. For example, if you want to read posts and comments, type Read in the Scope field. You can also include Submit or Identity, depending on what you plan to do with the Reddit API. To finish up, you can now use this Reddit credential in any n8n workflow. Try adding a Reddit node, select your new credential, and choose an operation like getting posts or submitting a comment. If your test runs successfully, that means the connection is working. From here, you can build automations that react to new Reddit posts, send notifications, or collect data across multiple platforms. That's it for this tutorial. You've now connected Reddit to n8n and you're ready to build your own custom workflows.